This project of an ecological shower, which monitors the flow of water and temperature that passes through the shower. All this is controlled by a PLC. Here you can see the block diagram that was used in the PLC program. Here is the PLC interface, where the user can observe the variables of the shower, which are the temperature, the time the shower has been running, and the amount of water it uses in milliliters. The user starts the process by pressing the button A, which activates the solenoid valve and allowing water to escape. A green LED also lights up. While the water leaves the shower, the number of milliliters and the time that has passed is recorded. When pressing button B, the timer stops and the flow of water is cut by closing the solenoid valve. This button serves as a stop of the process. And when you resume the process with the button, the shower is still running. The PLC is connected to a computer as a function of monitoring the variables present in the program, but this function is optional and is not recommended in common use of this shower. By completing 1 minute, which is half the time, the shower operates a function which is to warn the user that his time is about to end and change the color LED to blue. The system pipe contains a solenoid valve, a flow meter and a temperature sensor. These last two are connected to an amplifier circuit in order to adapt the voltage ratio and use it in the PLC. The amount of water that passes through the shower is captured by the flow meter and sends a signal to the PLC, which is interpreted in pulses and converted to milliliters. Approximately every X pulse is equivalent to 20 milliliters. At the end of the time defined by the user, the shower stops the flow of water, indicating this with a red LED. The user cannot reactivate or stop the process once the time limit ends, waiting for it to start completely the process. This shower has a computer graphic interface in case of any failure or you want to directly modify the code and functions of this. The catcher contains a hose or water source that is connected to the system piping, which is fed from a tap and transported by it to the main piping of the system. Here it is shown that after activating a process, the shower waits a while and then starts again the whole process from the beginning. The shower requires a source of 5 volts, 12 volts and 24 volts.